Mobile base stations are designed to provide mobile coverage. They can be installed quickly from a few minutes to a few hours. Mobile base stations provide high-quality communications and come fully operational. At the request of the customer, can be additionally equipped with solar panels or wind turbines. Internal dimensions of the equipment container of the mobile base station: height 2 meters 20 centimeters, width 1 meter and 80 centimeters, length 2 meters. The mass of the container of the mobile base station assembly is up to 3,300 kilograms. In the upper part of the container is a service platform for antenna feeder devices with a pipe rack for the radio relay antenna. The platform for transporting the mobile base station has structures and nodes for fixing the antenna support, outriggers, and generator. To transport and place the mobile base station in the broadcasting point, a platform based on the vehicle trailer platform start is used. The supporting structure of the container of the mobile base station is a steel frame made of steel profiles. The container is equipped with air conditioning, heating, ventilation, lighting, power supply, security, and fire alarm systems. Container walls are made of polyisocyanurate foam, a 3-layer structure that consists of steel sheets and put between them insulation with a low thermal conductivity coefficient. Joints between the walls and the floor in the control room are closed with a metal plinth. Floor covering: anti-static linoleum. The container of the mobile base station is equipped with stationary ladders to climb the roof of the container to the service platforms. The 2-axle Category O2 trailer with improved load carrying capacity characteristics is equipped with a 3,500 kilogram roll-in brake. Operation of the trailer requires a Category BE driver's license. The telescopic retractable mast structure is a triangular aluminum sections with a system to bring it to an upright position. Retractable antenna mast designed for use in the first, second, third, that is wind, ice, snow, and climatic regions.